Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix will limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram issue. So these are some steps that you can take to address the issue error. So the first one is you can just wait it out. So Instagram often imposes temporary limits to prevent spam and also abuse. So the easiest solution is to wait for the limit to expire. So this could take a few hours or even a day. So if you are maybe leave a comment on someone post a little too much because you are entering a giveaway, for example, or a quiz, but you have already reached the Instagram limits, you can just wait it out. And the second one is you can review your activity. You can check if you've been engaging in activities that might trigger Instagram limits, such as the one that I mentioned before. For example, excessive liking, commenting, or following. So if you've been very active, you can Instagram might consider it spam. So the second one option is that you can use you use a third-party app. So some third-party apps can violate Instagram terms or surface that leads into limitations, so you must be careful on that. And the third one is you can limit your activity. So if you are still within the limit but want to avoid triggering it again, you can try to reduce the activity for a while. You can wait it out like the one that I said before. And the last one is that you can try to contact the Instagram support. So if you believe that the limit is unfair or you've been following Instagram guidelines, you can to ask the Instagram support team, so they might be able to help you resolve the issue. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.